Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. So for this week I have prepared very nice raspberry cookies for all of you. I hope you will enjoy the recipe. Before going to that, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for future recipes. So you have already seen the recipe card. I am using a big amount of brown sugar because I want my cookies to be soft in the inside, and from the top I want them to create a nice texture, the crispy texture, not too crispy but nice texture. So from inside they are going to be chewy and soft. Okay, if we want to make it crispier on the top, we have to use the baking powder as well. Now I am just going to butter and sugar, I'm going to just make it soft, and I will use the spatula a little bit because I'm not using the big mixer, just to avoid the hassle. It's a small recipe. So I will add the sugar little by little, and then I will mix it so that it doesn't blow on my face, of course, because the butter is cold. Okay, it's cold, it's not warm, it's not room temperature, it's cold. So now I just cream the butter and sugar, and I have added the red color. You can use any gel color or powder color, it's up to you. Now I will just add the dry ingredient with my spatula, and I have added the salt as well. Now I just mix it and I will put this in the fridge. Meanwhile, we will prepare for the confiture. I am using here fresh raspberries and raspberry puree. You can also use frozen raspberries if you want, but since it is in the season, so I'm using the fresh. I'm taking advantage, and also here I'm using fresh raspberries because right now they are sour in flavor and too much acidic. So for that reason I'm adding fresh raspberries here as well. And I have explained in all my videos before that you have to add sugar and pectin in the raining method, and once it starts to boil you just have to stop cooking. Now I'm making here the ball of the cookie dough after 30 minutes, and after that I'm going to pipe the confiture inside and put these cookies back in the freezer for another 2 hours, because this will help the pectin to activate, and then I will bake it. Okay, so the baking temperature I have already mentioned. After first bake I am going to put fresh raspberries on top more. Okay, so each raspberries on 2 raspberries on each cookie, and it will actually balance the flavor very well, because when I eat the cookies, it was not so sweet and it was sour and very well balanced. Now we just cool it down, and then I will pipe more confiture on the top. And here we are with the beautiful cookies. You will enjoy the color, and since the Christmas season is coming, you can bake these cookies in advance, and your family will love it absolutely. So I will show you the inner texture. You just see how soft and chewy they are looking, and the inside texture is very nice because we piped the confiture inside, so it was, when it was hot, it was oozing out from the cookie. Now it was cold actually, but it was very nice flavor. Anyways, so I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Until the next recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel to support my channel, to support all the recipes which I'm doing for all of you. Take care. Bye. Ciao.